Hi guys! I'm back home and it's already the next day. So I went shopping at SM yesterday and now I'm going to show you my loot. So the rule is I can't spend more than 1,500 pesos. So because of that, I can only buy 1, the things I really want to try, or 2, things that I already know are good and have tried and need to repurchase for my kit. Okay, so let's look at the things that I bought. First, I got the Fashion 21 Water Drop Blender. So this one cost 195 pesos. It felt soft while I was playing with it. Oh, it's actually pretty firm. So I hope that once it's damp, it gets softer, but it feels firm. So I'm kind of disappointed in that. Next, I also got a Pink Sugar HD lipstick, and I got the shade in Wicked. So this is what it looks like. This is the shade, and I'm gonna swatch it for you. The Pink Sugar HD lipstick cost 299 pesos. I also got the Maybelline Creamy Matte Lipstick in Clay Crush. And this is what it looks like. This shade is already famous, so I just got my own. And okay, I got this on sale for only 199, but the regular price is 299. This is the shade. It looks so beautiful. And then I also got 2 concealers. So first, I got the Catrice Camouflage Cream Concealer. This one cost 329 pesos. I got the shade 20, light beige. Another concealer that I got is the Pink Sugar Artful Secret Liquid Concealer. And this is what it looks like. I love the packaging. I really love the packaging. And when I swatched it in store, it looked really good on the back of my hand. I hope it performs just as well on my under eyes. This one cost 349, a bit pricey. Pricier than the Maybelline Fit Me. I think pricier also than the NYX HD Liquid Concealer. I was supposed to get the NYX HD Concealer, but it was sold out. The last item that I got is another detail lip liner. This time I got the shade in Marlon. And this is what it looks like. I really love detail lip liners because they're so cheap, but they perform really well, and I love the shades that they have. They have all sorts of nude colors, so I just got another nude shade to add to my pro kit. Detail lip liners are also great to buy on impulse because they're only 99 pesos, so when you see them, you can just buy a couple. I think, yeah, those are everything. So those cost me a total of 1,470 pesos. So I went under my budget. So I'm really happy about that. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and leave a comment down below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye!